The Digital Atlas of Dungarvan is an interactive map that explores the built heritage of the town. It can be accessed from any digital device, including mobile phones, tablets, laptops and desktops. A series of tutorial videos have been created to show what can be revealed about Dungarvan and its history when you explore the layers of the Digital Atlas. Making my map filter by site type is the 5th tutorial in the series. The aim is to show you how to locate all sites of a particular type, for instance, tanneries, orchards, markets. The market house pictured here is a familiar site within Dungarvan. Although the wall plaque states that it was built in 1641, it's more likely to have been built in the late 17th century. Imagine you'd like to conduct a study to identify where other markets were located historically in Dungarvan. To do this, you need to filter sites by name. First, go to the Digital Atlas of Dungarvan. Then click on the layer list to the top right-hand side of the screen. And you need to identify the layer in which markets are most likely to appear. If you're not sure of this, you can refer to the user guide. This page within the user guide shows you the 22 different themes that are included in the printed historical town atlases. You can look at these to see which layer you think the markets are most likely to appear in. So if you look at section 16 here, trades and services, you can see that this includes fairs, markets, market houses and so on. And so this is the layer, trades and services, that you will want to look for markets in when you look at the Digital Atlas. So returning to the Digital Atlas, we know now that we need to look for markets under trades and services. So I'm going to the layer list and I need to make sure that the trades and services layer is highlighted, and I'm going to deselect all of the other layers. The trades and services points should now be displayed and they are coloured yellow. Next, I need to click on the Filter Historic Sites icon, which is located in the top left-hand corner of the screen and symbolised by a point icon. If you click on it, a drop-down list of layers will be displayed. Because I'm only searching or filtering on one layer, trades and services, I only need to enter a search term for that particular layer. I'm looking for markets, so under section 16 trades and services, I'm just going to type in market, and this will identify all the sites with names that include that term. To activate the filter, I just need to click on the white button and you'll see it go green. And you'll notice that a subsection of points is now displayed on your screen. I'm zooming in on them and clicking, and you can see here that all of these items contain the word market in their title. So fish market, potato market. You must make sure that you don't miss items that are positioned in the same location. So for instance, in this example, you can see that at the top it says 1 of 2. So the first item is potato market, which was here in 1817. And then if I click on the little arrow at the top, I can see 2 of 2. There was a general market in the same location in 1889. You can print any of the maps that you create within the Digital Atlas of Dungarvan using the Print Widget. So I'm going to close these windows now and go to the Print Widget, which is located up in the top left-hand side of the screen. And you have a number of options here. I am going to try to print this map in A4 landscape and in PDF format. You have the option here to choose a title. I'm going to just click on the Advanced button to look at the Advanced Print Option menu. And I want to fit the current map extent onto my printed map, so I am going to select Map Extent here. Once you've completed the information, you can just click on Print. You will see that the image is being generated. Once it's complete, you can click on the PDF icon to view the PDF. And then, as usual with a PDF, you can go to the print icon in the top right hand corner of your screen to print it. After you finish printing, you can select Clear Prints, and you can close down the Print Widget by clicking on the cross at the top right hand corner of the widget. Try out the site type filter and the print options for yourself by going to the Digital Atlas of Dungarvan. A transcript of these instructions is available from the user guide link at the top of the page, and you can download that in PDF format. If you're using any information taken from the Digital Atlas within your own research or incorporating a map that you have created using it, we would be grateful if you would cite the Digital Atlas of Dungarvan. The user guide provides advice on how to cite the atlas. If you would like to find out more about the Irish Historic Towns Atlas project and our other atlases, you can visit our homepage at www.ria.ie/research-projects/Irish-historic-towns-atlas.